Okay, watch the video, watch that corner, boom, the corner is gone, the corner is back. There are 4 corners and 4 sides. When I draw a straight line down, I will miss the 4 corners. It will leave an opening space drawing this way across. I'll get another corner like this, covering the numbers here. Now we're gonna go from 0 to 00. So what am I leaving open? I'm leaving open 23. How far is that from the point of the corner between 2 and 0? That would be the start of, let's say, in between 9, you would have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 23 and 9 would only make the skim of the corner. I wonder if I can skim a little bit closer, or maybe I skimmed a little bit too much off the edge. That 23 and 9 are involved. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 numbers. And now how many numbers will be cut off over here? How many numbers are over here? What numbers? Where's the starting numbers? If I have 7 here and I have 7 here, that's 14. I have a total of how many in here? There's 38. So if there's 14 in these two, there's 14 in these two. So I have 7 and 7 is 14, and 14 I have 28. There's only 2, 4, 6, 8 open numbers, and we're going to say the open number is 26 and 30. It would be 9, 11 if we count the half space. I'm just trying to see, there's an equation in here. There are equations because of what can be done. And now, would that be the pointing of the clock? That angle? No matter what I would do with this circle, no matter which way I would put this circle, if I keep turning the circle, I'm always going to end up with this area space and this area space with those arrows. That won't change. What I'm doing in this design, right over here, is I'm taking this circle. In fact, I was able to put it back, and it shows me that in this circle, I'm holding off on 7. So the actual numbers is 11 and 30 is 41. I'm touching 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm only touching 6 in this one. Why is that? Should I be touching 7? I should be. It should be perfectly round. It depends how I skim off the corner. So we're going to be looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we're going to go all the way to 34 with this one. So we're going to get, if we go to 34, we only have 15, 3, and you see the way partly that number is on 24. So these are going to create for me an equation. Now wait. Now what I did is I put the next level inside of there. Now this has been done before. Okay, I've seen it on the internet. It's been done. I'm not sure what they did. I never really studied it. But when I'm doing it myself, okay, what I'm trying to get to is when you play darts, you have the numbers on the outside, then you have the board on the inside. In the center, you have the 50, and then you have the 25. So we'll have the doubles, okay, on this line. We'll have the triples on this line, and now we're going to place 2 more inside of here for the bullseye and the red area for 25 and 50. Now I put my last in the center. I come up with 2 and 0, 32 and 17, 1 and 31. Now, although this seems to be random, and it's because of the way I put the wheel when I printed it out, it could have ended up anyway, but just to know it's taking 4 corners in order to move this. Unless I moved it by hand, right? I have to move everything by computer. Everything has to be the same. Everything has to be moved by computer. This is the world we live in. It's got to be made perfect in order to transmit. So now we have this. Now we all know that the center of the dartboard is even smaller. So we have the outside of the dartboard. We have the area for the 20 over here, the area for the 2 times, the 3 times. And this is the way I want to set it up. So there's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. Am I going to use 4? Or is it this one says, once you have this one, you're now inside the house, right? Should I be eliminating numbers as I reduce size 75%, as I reduce size to 50%, as I reduce size to 25%. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to reduce size to 15%. And I'm going to take this over here. I'm going to show you how I'm going to do this. I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to take a black dot And I just redo the whole thing over again, right? Like that. Now I'm going to fill it in with black. See, it doesn't fill in with black. And our sky comes up with a whole lot of stars in it, and it shows up with stars. So now we end it this way. This is the way it gets ended. It's not me, it's what the design says. The question is, does it look like it's, should I be moving it down? If I would move all these down, they would look like they go through each other. Can I change the color for a second? If I would use purple, I'd get the center out as purple over here. What's gonna happen? Oh, that didn't happen. I still have it on black. So let's get the center as purple. And what if we had this over here as purple? We have that, and we have that. What if we have this as purple? What would that look like? I'm just trying to see. What if we had this as green? What if we had this as green? What if we had this as green? What if we put this as green? What in fact if all the black numbers were all green? I'm not sure where I'm going with this, but 15, the size compared to the outside, was for Mars. 25 was for Earth. I created the 50 for the 50 for the zone, the 25 center heart. Okay, the 25 center heart inside the 15 size. So, do you follow what I'm saying? I used the numbers in specific as 15 for Mars, 25 for Earth. I didn't use 57 for the moon because 57 would have been 75, so I inverted it. And where the Earth position is, should it be where the sun is, number 52, 45, 45 and 55, 100, freedom. I'm just talking about just saying anything right now. There's so many questions asked. I know you may not have the answer because nobody really does, but this is the basic of the equation. So we're going to just go put it all back over here into black. And that's it. Now, can we invert this color? Can we invert all this? These two, whoop, hold on a second. I can't reach. I can't reach. Hold on, I'm putting you down. Borealis. Everything that was red turned a borealis, and everything that was black has turned green. Raphael 7286 and a constellation of Pegasus. Thank you for watching this video.